Well, we now have a problem that is based upon the Fibonacci sequence. And the Fibonacci sequence is probably one of the most famous sequences in all the universe, possibly. We see the Fibonacci sequence in the spirals of galaxies, um, to hurricanes, to the petals on a flower, the number of seeds in a pine cone or a sunflower. It appears in art and music and architecture. We see this Fibonacci sequence in many, many places. And so what the Fibonacci sequence is, it starts off with 1, 1. And then the next number in the series is the sum of the two previous numbers. So if we got 1 and 1, then our next number in the sequence would be 2. And then we've got 1 plus 2, which is 3. 2 plus 3, which is 5. 3 plus 5, which is 8. 5 plus 8, which is 13. 8 plus 13, 21. 13 plus 21, 35. 34, excuse me, 34. 13 plus 21, 34. 21 plus 34, 55. 55 plus 34 actually would be 89. And so let's see, that would be how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's 11 numbers in the sequence. Now the problem we're looking at here is telling us that we've got a branch or a plant that grows branches that correspond to the Fibonacci sequence. And it takes 2 months for the first branch to appear, and then at the end of each month, it would then sprout a new branch. And so here it's asking us to determine how many branches the plant would have after 15 months if no branches are removed. And so what it's really asking us, what is the 15th number of a Fibonacci sequence? So we got 11 here. So if we were to find A12, well, A12 is going to equal A10 plus A11. Well, that is equal to 55 plus 89. And 55 plus 89 equals 144. And then A13, well, that's going to be A11 plus A12, which means that we're going to have 89 plus 144, which equals 233. 14th number in the Fibonacci sequence is going to be A12 plus A13, and that would be 144 plus 233 equals 377. And the 15th number in a Fibonacci sequence is A13 plus A14, or 233 plus 377, which would equal 610. You really owe it to yourself to go on and look up some information on this Fibonacci sequence. It is truly amazing, and it's one of the great proofs in my mind that all the universe was created by quote unquote an intelligent design, which in my mind, and I hope also in yours, that the universe was created not by random selection, but was created by God himself.